So let us all welcome with a huge applause to Ma'am Vanessa. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you for joining. Please. So here we go ahead with the first lecture. As Mani ma'am has already told you, it is about resume writing. So resume is oft repeated word, but most of the time, we take it very lightly, very non-seriously. It is just a biodata. But girls, this is the first step. How well prepared your resume is. So there are certain skills which are required. So nothing can be taken for granted. This is my resume, I can write anything that I want. No, it is definitely your resume, right? But you need to know what should be included and what should not be included. Only then you can introduce yourself on the paper or digitally to your prospective employer. If you are interested in a job, then it is for you. I hope everybody here either wants to be a professional or wants to be an entrepreneur. Am I right? Okay, fine. So let's move ahead. Resume writing. As you can see from the slide, resume writing is today's module. So this is a very, very important aspect of your personality, because wherever you go, you have to introduce yourself either in an interview, but interview is the secondary stage. It's the second step. But before you are called for the interview, what is it that you get called? You don't phone an employer, okay, call me, I'm interested in a job. Does that happen? No, it doesn't. You have to send your resume either through mail or post, postal is something outdated. Yes, it is through mail, right? So that is something we have given a lot of importance, and of course this is in thing. And there are professional resume makers in the job market. They charge some money from you. You have to pay a fees for getting your resume well drafted. But if we learn the tips and tricks, how well we can make a resume which suits our requirement, because it is tailor-made. You have to customize your resume, and definitely we can save money on that. Why to pay? Right? If we have that facility, if we can guide you in that, definitely girls, you should take proper advantage from that. That's why we have incorporated this module. Okay? Resume writing. Now, resume. We are using this word, quite often. Resume. What exactly is resume? So resume, as it is called in today's language, CV, curriculum vitae. So curriculum vitae is another name. So this is more popular nowadays, but we are using this traditional term which have been used for ages, resume, right? So resume is basically a very pointed document, very pointed, because you don't have much scope that you just go on writing as many details as possible. No, it is a point form document which you give to the employer to tell them about your abilities, your skills, your educational qualification, your experience, so many things. And on the basis of all these, your employer, prospective, because we have to have a positive attitude. So we write a resume with the mindset that I have to get the job. I am going to get the job. Okay, you cannot begin on a negative note. Your first lecture was on that, positive thinking. So you have to be positive, and that really charges you up. With that mindset, okay, I'm the one made for the job and I have to get it. So keeping that attitude, with that objective aim in your mind, you begin with the resume. So you have to think before you prepare. Okay, what should that document include about me, about myself? What should I write? What should I include in that? Okay, so basically it is a document which reaches the employer before you reach. Okay, that means आप तो physically बाद में जाओगे ना, you will be called for an interview on the basis of what you said. these are my strong areas, I am good at these, and these are my weak points. ठीक है, वो weaknesses एक side पे कर दो. So this is the foremost thing. Now before I move ahead, I just want to give you a random idea कि resume is of basically two types. One is traditional or chronological. Chronological in the sense recent achievement comes first, maybe your recent qualification, your recent experience at the top, and it follows backwards. ठीक है, जैसे आप कॉलेज एडमिशन लेते हो, so which qualification do you write at the top? Your recent one. ठीक है, अगर आपने फर्स्ट ईयर में एडमिशन लेना है तो you begin with 10 plus 2, then backwards. This is chronological order. ठीक है, so similarly it goes like that in resume. Another is functional or customized. Customized in the sense you come across any job vacancy, they are looking for in their prospective employees. ठीक है, वो candidates में क्या होना चाहिए? You are not to cut copy those qualifications or those abilities, but you can tailor your resume. Tailor कपड़े सीते हैं ना आपकी fitting के accordingly. So that means the resume can also be made, because there are no hard and fast rules ke how or what is the best resume. But we can definitely incorporate certain tips we can follow in the best possible manner to make it the best possible presentation, best possible resume. Okay? But there are no hard and fast rules. So this is the best thing we can follow, functional or customized. You have to assess yourself, because nobody knows you better than anybody else. You know yourself, who I am, what my abilities are, and that is why I said you jot down your weaknesses and strengths on a paper and then think about that. Am I right? Am I on the correct path? Is this my weakness or this is my strong point? These strengths can definitely go a long way in your career. But we are many times ignorant of our strengths, like I said. So moving on, your personal information. Resume is about your personal information. But what kind of personal information? Who you are friends with? आपके friends कौन हैं? आपके social media account किन-किन के साथ है? Is this the personal information you would like to incorporate? No. I, we को छोड़ो. And you don't have to write full sentences. It's very brief, very pointed. Succeeded in this. Okay? Or completed. ये action words है. Verbs करते हैं ना ग्रामर के अंदर, वो verbs जो हैं पॉजिटिव वाले उनको emphasize करो. Use a good point printer. Update your resume. Printer से जब print out copies की निकालनी है, update your resume regularly. As you keep on adding, resume को update साथ साथ करते जाओ. Mention who you work with. आपके केस में ये apply नहीं होता because you are still a student. अभी यहाँ पे कुछ applicable नहीं है. Make the design flow with white space. So prefer white page. आजकल हर चीज बड़ी डिजाइनर हो गई. हर चीज में आपने वो सेल्फी भी एक पोस्ट करनी होती है फेसबुक पे, कितने फिल्टर्स लगे होते हैं. Keep it simple. इसमें कोई फिल्टर की जरूरत नहीं है. ठीक है, यूज व्हाइट पेज. नाउ कवरिंग लेटर, ये आपकी उसमें कम्युनिकेशन स्किल में भी गर्ल्स रिज्यूमे का जो कंपोनेंट में बात कर रही थी है ना आपका टॉपिक रिज्यूमे का. सेकेंड ईयर में है कि नहीं है सेम 1? है ना? आई डोंट नो कि कितने बच्चे इस चीज को फॉलो करते हैं कि रिज्यूमे इज इनकम्प्लीट विदाउट कवर लेटर. आपको यू हैव टू राइट एन एप्लीकेशन फर्स्ट. दिस इज कवर लेटर. उसके बाद आप आगे चलते हो. रिज्यूमे एक सेपरेट डॉक्यूमेंट है एंड कवर लेटर का ये फॉर्मेट जो है ये आपको सामने दिया हुआ है, जहां पे टॉप पे जैसे एप्लीकेशन लिखते हैं ना, योर नेम, एड्रेस, डेट, देन आप किसको अप्लाई कर रहे हो उसका एड्रेस, ये पहले आप करोगे, फिर रिज्यूमे अटैच करोगे इसके साथ. और नीचे एक इंपॉर्टेंट चीज देख रहे हो आप, एनक्लोजर. इज इट विजिबल? देख रहे हो? सिंसियरली रिस्पेक्टफुली योर्स, एनक्लोजर. नाउ व्हाट इज एनक्लोजर? एनक्लोजर मींस कि एनवेलप, अगर ये पोस्टर के लिए अगर आप एनवेलप यूज कर रहे हो, व्हाट आर द थिंग्स यू आर पुटिंग इनटू द एनवेलप. जैसे आपकी सर्टिफिकेट्स, ओरिजिनल सर्टिफिकेट्स यू आर नॉट अ स्टेप, लेकिन आप उनकी डुप्लीकेट फोटोस्टैट कॉपीज डालते हो, रिज्यूमे का अपना एक पेज डालते हो. सो एनक्लोजर के अंदर यू हैव टू मेंशन the number of pages you are enclosing with. Okay, now it covers the possibility in case anything gets lost. So at least enclosure say prospective employer can see, yes, you enclosed. Don't pay any direct demands on your resume first. As you know, this is the first stage, first hurdle which you have to overcome with success. So that you are called for the interview. Interview skill के लिए another module. No pictures. Being girls, you have to be very, you have to play very safe. No picture pasting on this. हर जगह फोटो की जरूरत नहीं होती. ठीक है, आजकल बहुत फैशन हो गया है, जहां दिल करता है हम फोटो पेस्ट कर देते हैं, बट गर्ल्स ट्राई टू प्ले सेफ. कोई जरूरत नहीं है, आपकी शक्ल देख के उन्होंने जॉब नहीं दी, आपको कॉल नहीं करना अनलेस एंड अनटिल इट इज योर सम गायत्री मैम क्या है वो कॉस्मेटोलॉजी और उस तरह का कुछ अगर होगा फैशन का, दैट आई कैन नॉट वाउच से कि उसमें फोटो की कितनी, हाँ मॉडलिंग के लिए हो सकती है. So don't include irrelevant information. मैंने पहले ही कहा prioritize. Most important should come first and then towards less important. No lies because you are attaching your documents. और even interview में एक आपका document जो है ना certificate file खोल के check करते हैं कि आपने क्या mention किया था resume में and what actually you have given in the enclosures. No hobbies. Music सुनना, dance, resume में लिखी जाती है लड़कियाँ. अरे how is that listening to music or TV watching and films and is going to contribute to your professional life? कोई फर्क पड़ेगा? वहां पे उल्टा ये तो नेगेटिव हो जाएगा. एम्प्लॉयर को लगेगा अच्छा वेले बैठे ये तो नहीं है कि काम छोड़ के म्यूजिक सुन रहे हैं. When you are supposed to be very serious and fully dedicated to your job और बेंच पे डेस्क पे बैठे बैठे आप गाने सुन. Don't mention such hobbies. Intellectual hobbies which can really be an attribute to your personality. उनको आप मेंशन करो. These can go long way. ठीक है, वो चीजें आप करो यहाँ पे अटैच. No fancy design और details. कोई flowers लगा रहे हैं जिस तरह मैंने कहा ना आजकल बहुत फैंसी चीजों का जमाना हो गया. Simplicity is very rare. No jargon. कोई ऐसा slang नहीं मारना. Be simple, be realistic and जो commonplace ordinary day to day life में चल रहा है उसी पे फोकस करो. कोई बहुत ज्यादा हाइपोथेटिक उसको देने की जरूरत नहीं है, फैंटेसाइज करने की जरूरत नहीं है. ये कर लेंगे हम वो कर लेंगे, जो है उसकी बात करो. राइट, देन नो प्रोनाउंस आई वी यू कुछ नहीं लिखना. डोंट फॉरगेट द बेसिक्स. सो ये एक सैंपल है गर्ल्स, यू कैन सी आपके लिए रेडी किया है. मान लो ये टीचर का रिज्यूमे किसी का हम देख सकते हैं. जस्ट फॉर एग्जांपल ऊपर कॉन्टैक्ट के लिए यहाँ प्लेन जगह छोड़ दी है. कॉन्टैक्ट मीन्स आपके एड्रेसेस, चाहे वो ईमेल है या आपका पोस्टल एड्रेस है, सो दैट इन केस एनी फॉर्मल डॉक्यूमेंट इज टू बी सेंट बाय पोस्ट दैट एड्रेस टू यू. क्योंकि आपका एड्रेस स्पेसिफिक तो होना ही चाहिए ना वेयर यू अल्टीमेटली पुट अप. एंड योर ईमेल आईडी, फोन नंबर लैंडलाइन हम दे रहे हैं लेकिन वैसे हम मोबाइल में सारा टाइम घर में होते नहीं. सी कितना इनकॉन्ग्रुएंस है. आपको लैंडलाइन पे कौन फोन करेगा if you are not available, and if you are not available you lose your chances of getting a job or even getting called for the interview. ठीक है, आप कांटेक्ट नंबर वो दो जिस पे you are available. Mind it, you are available. So availability is to be given here. About ये जो है it is your brief profile. वो जो मैंने ऑब्जेक्टिव की बात की थी ना, resume must have an objective कि आप करना क्या चाहते हो, who you are, तो छोटी सी समरी so that कि ये आपका रिज्यूमे जो है should look like very professional document, nothing nonsense. तीन आप देख सकते हो रोज में I have divided. Student, you are fresher and you are applying for the first time, so that order can be reversed. Your most recent qualification, highest qualification should come at the top and then backwards. ठीक है, so this can be done. One more, work experience. अगर कोई एक्सपीरियंस है तो ऑब्वियसली उसने अपना पहले ऊपर टॉप पे दे दिया वर्क एक्सपीरियंस. सो यू हैव टू डिसाइड. प्रायोरिटाइज आपने करना है. ठीक है, सी दिस इज वन पेज सैंपल्स. एक ही पेज के अंदर सिर्फ वेरी ब्रीफ बात जितना जरूरी था. नो पिक इज देयर, कोई जरूरत ही नहीं. ओके, तो ये सैंपल्स है. पॉजिटिव एटीट्यूड सो दैट योर रिज्यूमे इज accepted. So these are certain skills, certain do's and don'ts which you have to keep in mind so that coveted, you are hired, you are given a job. Ultimately purpose तो यही है ना, हमें जॉब मिलनी चाहिए, right? So with this